What's poppin', everybody? My name is Sorsia, and welcome back to Eve. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, I remember this cat thing, whatever it's called. I'm gonna have Gary, is this too a piece of art? Well, it's in a rather annoying position. Let's get this out of the way, shall we? Wow! Oh goodness. What was that? It's alive? Eve, we shouldn't touch this thing. It has extending spikes of some whoa. It has extending spikes of some kind. Um, so I suppose I shouldn't touch it. Alright. Why do you suppose this frame is so low to the ground? Maybe so a portrait lady can sneak out and try and grab us? Listen to the teapot's demands. What? Okay. Let me just see this real quick. The scent-sensitive porcupine. What? Scent-sensitive porcupine? Now that's an odd one. Why not porcupine? I like porcupine. Then let's go with that. It sounds cuter after all. Rutenna certainly uses some odd words, though. Little wonder you'd need help understanding them. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. What do you want? There's text engraved on the large teapot. Teacups won't stop until they bump into something. Can I move it then? Oh, jeez. Goodness, okay. So then that should go there. The blue one should go up. No, actually, I got this. Should go here. And up. This one should go there. Then up. And then this one should go this way. Actually, I have an idea. Because that one's probably not going to stop there. Oh, wait, this might not be a good idea. Shoot! Can I still move this, or is it stuck there? Okay. Move that there. Move that there. There. Well, that's not good. Move that there. 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 And there. Then there. Uh-oh. Ooh. This is a little tricky. No, I got it. No, I don't. I don't got it. I'm gonna put that there. Put this there. Put that there. Ah, poopy. This might take me a minute. There we go. I did it! The smell of tea began to waft through the room. Yay! Oh. Hello, kitty. Oh, unless it's a porcupine. Now, where have I seen this face before? Over here. Oh, okay. It looks like a tail, but wait, never mind that. The strange thing in front of the door is gone. Now we can go inside. I'm saving. What is this? Wine sofa? A giant wine glass cut diagonally with a red cushion inside. That doesn't look very comfortable to sit on. Gary, shut up. Melancholy. You're not sure how to say this word. Really? Melancholy, huh? Well, really, who wouldn't be in this place? Puzzle. A colorful skeleton. These aren't real bones, surely? Maybe. Feeling. A tree sculpture that vaguely resembles a person. It takes a clever mind to come up with this stuff. For sure. What the heck is this? A painting of an upside down, inside out. Ugh. Painting of an upside down woman. A painting of a coffee cup and cake. A painting of a white snake. Looking closer, its eye part is sunken in. Okay. A painting of what looks like icebergs. And that in the ground looks like knife holes. Hee 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 hee. Flowers. Flowers nice. Give me that flower. What? Give me that there flower, and I'll let you through. Hee hee hee. Hee hee, your flower. Pretty please? Don't give. I just want it for a little bit. Hee 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 hee. Okay. Leave the room and all will be as it was. What the frick? What is this place? Are you kidding me right now? Dude. Oops. I did not mean to go out. Oh my gosh. Puzzles are fun. They're fun for everyone. Alright, I got it. There's something on the stool. Obtained the eye drops. I read eye clops. What the heck? My brain. Eye drops. I'm assuming for that thing on the ground. Yeah, what is that? Gross. Why are there eyes on the floor? For me to put eye drops? I don't know. Here. The eye's cured. And it moves. The eye moves. Okay. Is it looking at something? The wall here looks unusual. Found a secret passage. Yeah! What is this? What is this? There's something at your feet. Obtain the red glass ball. Red glass ball? For what? Is it for one of these hands? Nope. Red glass ball. Oops. For what? I'm gonna save real quick. Is it for one of these statues, maybe? Maybe for the picture. If I give him my rose, I'll probably be dead. But I'm gonna try it. Now hold on, Neeb. Are you sure about that? I wouldn't trust this thing. Your flower, pretty please. Okay. Thanks. It's so pretty. Now, chow time. Yep. Bye, Ebe. Oh, I knew that. No, I didn't. There's writing on the back of the frame. On the back of the white head bust's head. I knew that. Here, gimme. Something stuck in the head. A ring. Now, what would this be doing here? Obtain silver. Gary, I think you're suspicious. Like, very suspicious. And then one of these hands need the ring. So the thumb, second finger over, middle finger, fourth finger over. Yeah, there we go. Hey, thank you. There's a bouquet. 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 Oh my gosh. There's a bouquet on the ground. Goodness. Obtain the bouquet. Thank you. What do I need it for, though? Oh, I think I know. I think there's a vase with flowers. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me see this. Yeah, there you go. Bouquet. That was good. Thank you. Thanks so much. As promised, you can take this door. Be seeing ya. Okay. I don't like this place. And of course the eyes follow. Does that make sense, right? Okay. I think I'm gonna be ending this episode here. So I'll see you guys in the next one.